Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your name in Google Meet. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and skills to update your name in Google Meet quickly and easily. To start, you need to have a Google account and be using the Google Meet platform. If you are using Google Meet for the first time, you will be prompted to allow access to your camera and microphone. Once you have granted the necessary permissions, you can proceed to change your name. The first step is to join a meeting or start a new meeting in Google Meet. Once you are in the meeting, click on the 3 vertical dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options, including the ability to change your name. From the menu, select the option that says More and then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you will see several options, including the ability to change your name. Click on the Name field and type in your new name. You can change your first name, last name, or both. After entering your new name, click on the Save Changes button to apply the updates. Your new name will now be displayed in the Google Meet meeting, and it will also be updated in your Google account. It is essential to note that changing your name in Google Meet will also update your name in other Google apps, such as Google Calendar and Google Drive. This is because your Google account is linked to all Google services, and any changes you make to your account will be reflected across all platforms. In conclusion, changing your name in Google Meet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the instructions outlined in this tutorial, you can easily update your name in Google Meet and ensure that your identity is accurate and up to date across all Google services.